Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds Edifier NeoDots. And firstly we need to set this feature to the gesture, because by default you cannot call voice assistant, but we can add it. So we need to use Edifier Connect application, and of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. Then you go to the settings icon at the right top, and right here at the second line we have control settings. Tap at this line and now decide what gesture you want to use. For the left earbud we can add it for the double press. We have voice assistant here, triple press, also voice assistant, and press and hold. And it's the same with the right earbud. We have voice assistant on the double, triple, and press and hold. So decide which one you want to use. Let's say I want to use double press at my right earbud, so I tap at the voice assistant right here at the double press. And now let's check it. So the touch area is located on the sides. Right here and right here we have it, and I need to press 2 times at this touch area. 1, 2. Maybe I put this earbud to my ear, and 1, 2. Yeah, and as you can see, Siri is awake, so it works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!